Wait a minute. What? 135 million views on a video of rain and sounds? How is that even possible? And look, this video even has nearly 1 million likes. And I just found out this guy even earns more than $1 million a year. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do that today. Let's get started. Hello everybody, welcome to this new video. And today I was browsing YouTube and I just came across a few videos that were labeled relaxing rain sounds and thunder and everything. I was like, let me check those out. And I was blown away by the tremendous amount of views and likes the videos had. So I was like, man, I gotta do a little more research onto this. And after doing a few research, many channels earn up to $1 million a year or even more. That was quite insane. Just sounds of rain and just a video of rain. That's something anybody can do easily. And today I'm gonna show you how you can do that exactly the right way. So the first thing I'm gonna do and check out this guy's channel. So let's go ahead on Social Blade and search this guy's channel name. We're here. So if you look at his estimated yearly earnings, it's around $407,000. Whoa, that is an insane amount of money. I'm really surprised if you ask me. I'm completely blown away. Now, if we scroll down even more, you can see he even earns $1,000 or more per day. $1,000 per day. That is like an insane amount of money. Like what, $7,000 or $8,000 a week? That's a lot of money. Now, I'm gonna show you how you can do this exactly the right way. You can see his channel right here. It has so many views and so many money coming in every year and month. So now, to do this, you're gonna first of all start on a website named Orange Free Sounds. So, link in the description, you can check this website out. So what Orange Free Sound is a website where you can download free sound effects. It's a really nice website. So when you're on this website, I'm gonna click on the search icon and type rain. By the way, if you don't like this website, there's another website called Sound Bible that also has free sounds. You can check that out. You can check that one out too. But for this video, I'm gonna use Orange Free Sounds. Now what we're gonna do is scroll down after we type rain, and we have rain sound effects. That's pretty cool. Now let's give a listen to this first one here. And this one does sound pretty good, and we can use this one. So when you like the one you choose, you're just gonna click that audio, sorry about that, and scroll down and click the free download MP3 button. You do not need to buy the audio, it's just quite useless, but if you want to support the creators, you can do that. But I'm just gonna click the free download MP3 and you're gonna get the file. So when you download it, it's a zip file. Just open it up and extract it, and you'll have it on your PC. Now what you're gonna do to make the video is go on another website called InVideoio. This is a website where you can upload on. So InVideoio is a website where you can easily edit your videos online without having to download any other software. I really love this website. It really saves you time and is very awesome, like period, okay? So what I'm gonna do is open up the website and click on their blank canvas. Just click that one. And now click make a video. Wait for it to load up. And boom, we have it here. Now I'm gonna download this text real quick by clicking the delete button, or just Ctrl+A and move, or just delete it from here. Now also delete the stock audio that comes with it. You want to delete that one for sure. Now what you're gonna do is upload your rain sound effect that you just downloaded onto the upload section, which you're gonna have on the left corner. Just drag it right here. I already have it on here, so I'm just gonna click that file and drag it into my timeline. And there we go. I have the file on my timeline now. So what I'm gonna do is just duplicate this a couple of times to like make it into a longer duration. Now the other thing I want to do is go on the video section and add a stock footage. What you're gonna search is just raining, and you're gonna get lots of stock footage for raining. So this is the best part. You can get stock footage directly from InVideio without having to go on other websites and search up stock footage over there. So I'm gonna search up raining now by clicking enter. And you can see I have lots of videos of rain, thunder, and everything. So I'm gonna choose this one right here. See, it's just a raining video. I'm gonna click use full video because we want the highest duration possible. Now we have that video. There you go. So the next thing you want to do is drag the video to the desired time you want. For example, I want to make a 1 hour video. Just keep on going and make it a 1 hour video. And also duplicate the audio so that it repeats and doesn't cut out at just a few minutes. Now once you do that, I would recommend you choose your own logo so that nobody can copy your video. That's a pro tip, by the way. You can simply upload your own logo, and that's all you have to do. Then what you're gonna do after you make the video is click on download and share. Click on that 720p button and choose 1080p because you really want to choose 1080. And click on export, and then once you click on export, it's gonna take you to a loading page. Now this is gonna take a while, so just sit back and relax and let it finish. Okay, fast forward to the video. We have the video successfully rendered. Now the next thing you're gonna do is just simply download your video, and you're gonna have it saved right here. It's that simple to make a video like this. Now I want to share another pro tip with you. When you make videos like this, you do not only need to make rain videos, you can also make some other videos too. For example, we're gonna go into this guy's channel and we're gonna see he has other videos too. And if we scroll down, you can see he has river sound effects. Relaxing river to sleep to. That's really awesome. Calm river and waterfall and everything. That's just really amazing. That's a lot of things he does. Those are the kind of videos you can do too. And there are another ones of like waves at lake and beach sound effects. There are a lot of videos, but you can also do the rain one, of course. But I would suggest uploading different contents too, and not just focus on rain. But you can do that too. You can also make a very successful YouTube channel with that too. But another pro tip is when you make a video, do not copy the title like exactly. So just don't do that. You're not gonna get much views if you just copy, and probably a copy strike too. Now for example, I'm gonna show you how to title your videos. For example, you can see this guy's video is titled Thunder and Rain Sounds for Sleeping. Let's say we can use rain sounds for sleeping and relaxing, treat insomnia, and stop tinnitus. There's a lot of titles you can choose. And don't just copy titles. So you just use unique titles, then you're gonna get a lot of views. And another thing you can do is make live streams like these guys are doing. The Relax guy is also doing live streams. So from live streams you can get many viewers, and subscribers will basically comment, or basically people will sleep to your live stream. That's just pretty cool, I know, right? You can also do that once your channel becomes very popular. So, and that's all you really need to do. Once you get the video done, you're just gonna upload it to your YouTube channel with a catchy title and sit back and relax and make some other videos too. So I really hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. I would really appreciate if you would subscribe. It inspires me a lot to make more videos like this. And if you have any question, comment down below. I will surely answer all of your questions. And I will see you on the next video.